Guys, hope you're all fine. Today I'm gonna fix this gas leak issue today in this unit, and I found some oil indication. Finally, I found minor leak here in this wall. Finally, I fixed this wall back again properly and check all leakage again. Leak testing is finally completed. Everything is all in good condition. It's covered properly. I will go for charge again. Now the unit charge already. Cooling efficiency is pretty much better now. Now work has done now. I made this video especially for beginner. Being in lockdown, I finished one of my pending work. While working, I capture filming too so that I can share with my friends. If you found this video is useful for you, then like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question and suggestion, please comment below. Thanks for watching.